Hi, it's Jennifer Badeaux with Teaching for Tech. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to use Screencastify in your classroom. It's kind of interesting to use Screencastify to talk about how to use Screencastify, but we're going to give it a go. So basically, this is the Screencastify website. The features on the website allow you to record the screen or just the browser window. So you can record your full screen or just a single browser. I've picked to share with you my entire screen so you can kind of see a little bit more about the navigation. Down at the bottom left, you'll have start and stop features as well as highlight features that you can use. One of the examples, say I want to show and highlight this information right here. So there you go. You can annotate and show exactly what's on the screen to let people know, to maybe draw attention to it. You can erase that later if you decide you want to take it away. And it has timer features as well, so you can put a time up there to see how long you're recording, because you do have 10 minutes to record your video, and that would be on the free service. If you want to go to, let's erase this. If you want to go to the different features and the product pricing plans, you can have a look there on the website. For the cheapest plans, you'll actually start out with $24 a month, I believe. Yep, $24 a month. But you can use the light version. The light version is free. There are a couple of differences in what it offers. 10-minute video length for the free, 50 a month. Now I will tell you, in that 50 a month, so you get notifications as well. In that 50 a month, if you mess up and start over again, it does take away from that 50. So sometimes it takes 2 or 3 to get it right, but 50 a month is still a lot. You get the watermark as well. In the premium packages, you get the unlimited recording length, unlimited number of videos, editing. Their editing tools are not super huge. You can crop and you can cut, but that's about it. There's no watermark. So it just depends with what you want. You can definitely do the free version. And then if you're in a school system, the school plans, they actually have more affordable plans for schools. Just depends if you can get that funding or not. There you go. 5 packs, 25 packs in entire districts. So there are some options. So one of the things that is nice to use with Screencastify for the classroom is you can use it whether you're a virtual teacher or even if you're not. I think my most common uses are to give the tour of my online class before we get started. On my welcome call even, I make sure that the kids know how to navigate, and I give them a tour. So I record how to go around the screen, and I can show you that again in one of my other videos. It's great to flip a classroom. You can do a lecture ahead of time if you choose to. You can also give directions. You can review things, you can give a tour of different websites, you can have students do presentations as well. So for this example, we're going to say that we're trying to teach students how to go to Google. So you want to go to Google and you're trying to teach students how to do research. So let's say we'd like our students to research poetry about nature. You show them how to research that. You can go in and you can annotate and you can say, okay, poems about nature. Let's see if there's one that you really want to talk about. Okay, 10 of the best nature poems everyone should read. So you can also mark this one and show the students that this is the one that you would like them to look at and to find. This is just a really brief example of the things that you can do with Screencastify. Again, I give tours, flip lessons, and things like that, but you can go in and make these tours as much as you want. These and cast your screen. You can show them how to do an assignment. You can show them how to edit sentences. There's tons and tons of options that you can use. Okay, so take a look at Screencastify, see what you can do with it, and feel free to ask me if you have any questions or if there's anything more I can show you on how to use Screencastify. Once your skills are there, you can also take your Screencastifies into other programs and you can edit them. You can see an example of many recordings that I have used over the last year or so. And I can take these and I can export them and I can put them to YouTube so that students can see them and have a link. I can save them to my Google Drive so that students are able to to see them that way. I can embed them in my web pages. I can give them as assignments. So there's tons and tons of options of what you can do with Screencastify. Let me know if you come up with a new one. If you have any other sites or tech tips that you can give to teachers and you want me to cover, just let me know. Thanks so much for subscribing.
Hi, Jen Badeaux here with Teaching with Technology. Just wanted to reach out to all of you and do a little bit of a review for teachers. I'll be doing these from time to time, so if you have a product you'd like me to look at, let me know.